Everyone's videoing him, Mum. Mum, you're in the way. Everyone's videoing him. I think he wants one, that one there. Mum, look at the amount of people. Mum, look behind you. Oh, that's a good picture, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at the amount of people. We'd make a fortune. Mum, tell Tess to mind the bags. Oh God, show's not over yet. Dad! That one. Oh. What would you do if they just went and sat on his shoulder? Look at that one just... Oh my God, he's getting closer and closer. Mum, you're in the way. Mum. Why are so many people fascinated by seagulls eating? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Dad. It's like something out of Harry Potter. It is.